In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Facebook Messenger on Apple Watch. First of all, go to your iPhone and open the Apple Watch app. From My Watch, tap on Notifications. In here, scroll down and under Mirror iPhone Alerts from section, here you find Messenger. Make sure to enable Messenger option here. After that, just go to your Apple Watch and I'm just sending a random message from my another Facebook account. I'm locking my iPhone before that and let's send messages. And here, as you can see, I received the Messenger message notification. Now just tap on the notification and here we can see the message. Now from here you can just send a like to the message. You can mute the conversation, and to reply to the message, tap on reply. Tap on reply, or you can select a message from the suggestion list. To write a custom message, tap on reply. And now you can go ahead and write your message here just like this. Also, you can select here voice input and then just tap on send, and the message reply will be sent to the chat from your Apple Watch. So let's send another message, and here you can see I received the message notification. Now you can just swipe to the bottom from top, and here you will find your all message notification from Messenger. So that's how you can actually do it.